2025 Prelim ACSJ Junior Paper 1 Booklet B. Question 22. Jason used a calculator to divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. He tries to divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. For the 1-digit number, he made a mistake by pressing 6 instead of 7. So he divided the number by 6. He obtained an incorrect answer of 210. Okay, now let's find the 4-digit number. Okay, we do this by taking 210 times 6. That will give us 1260. So now let's find the correct answer. 1260, which is the original 4-digit number, divided by 7. Okay. 1260 divided by 7. 7 times 8, 56. 0, 0. Okay. 180. That's our answer. 180.